my name is Lars-Åke Mattsson. I'm going to show you a little bit about the Vent Tools app and how to cut ducts in the situation where you have one duct in one elevation and one other duct in another elevation. You have a T-piece and a bend. Okay, to start doing this cut of the spiral duct that is going to be here, I need to know the elevation of this duct, and it is 710 millimeters, and this duct is 410 millimeters. So the difference is 300 millimeters. Then I go into the app. I choose offset of a T-piece because we have a T-piece and we should have a bend. I choose the dimension of this one to 160. 160. It's a BU, and I have the angle of 45 degrees. I also have a product here that is a TCPU in dimension 200 and 160. So when I have put in all of this and the centerline offset that I just measured to 300, and then I have the length of the duct that I want to put in to 233 millimeters. So now we are going to cut the duct on 233 millimeters. I will adjust this to 233, right about there. I will cut the duct from the open side. I make a change here, the right dimension 160. I make a hole, I make a line, and then I do the cutting. Perfect. I will cut the needle so nobody gets hurt. And I have my part. (233 millimeters). So now I hopefully have the perfect match for those. I take away the lids. I put in the elbow. Yes, it fits. Very nice.